system.
Welcome to another Artist Corner. This time we're going to be reviewing the Prismacolor Premier hand lettering kit. We got this at Target for $5.98. It was clearanced out. You can see here. The reason why I grabbed it is because of what it comes with. It comes with two. That way I can specify. It comes with two Premier turquoise graphite pencils and a bold brush marker, .005 Prismacolor marker, and the Prismacolor marker, a chisel tip, and a brush tip, and also 01, 03, 05, and 08 tip sizes. This will come definitely in handy for sketch cards that I do. Also, there is a Kneaded Eraser and hand lettering tips and tricks. I'm not really going to do the hand lettering portion of it. I mostly grabbed it because this is a steal. Two of these markers alone is almost $6 at a normal art store, so just keep an eye out for this at Target. So we're going to go ahead and unbox. So here we are. Gotta get it open. So here are the contents. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit here. Maybe that's a little bit better. Let's see what else is in here. So we have just a book with some tips and tricks on how to hand letter. You know, if you're into that, it's pretty cool. It's not bad for you know, anyone who's into calligraphy and stuff like that. I'm just gonna put the box here. So these turquoise pencils are really great. I've used to use these in art school, and they are phenomenal. So to get these in the kit, it's even better. And then you got all your different tip sizes. So what I might do is, instead of taking my whole huge kit, I'll show you real quick. This is normally what I take to shows. As you can see here, I have a ton of different markers, and I really only use 2 or 3, my favorites. But I can now take this to shows with me, and not have to bring all that stuff. Maybe just the 2 that I really use on a long basis. So these 2 Prismas, you got one that has a chisel tip. So chisel tip's good for big areas and anything with a broad stroke. And then you have your brush tip. This is good for you know, blending areas. And these are alcohol based, so they do mix with Copics. I wouldn't recommend it just because these colors are super opaque, and the Copics are more watercolor based. So just be careful if you do blend. Use the Copic more as a base, and then whatever darker areas you want, then use the Prismacolor. or just grab different colors from the Prismacolor set because they'll blend better together than your typical brush tip or your typical Copics. And then you got your Kneaded Eraser here, which is great for pencil drawings if you're going to erase and then ink, or ink and then erase. So it's your preference. I got 2 of these and I'm tempted to go back and get more. As an artist, you can never have enough. So hopefully that helped out anybody who's thinking about getting getting into markers or pens. That's a good starter kit. I would definitely recommend it. For $5.98, it's a steal. Like I said, it was in Target. My wife found it in the back to school section. You might be able to find it in the regular art section. I always find really good deals there, especially the Prismacolor stuff. I think they just buy them in bulk and then they clearance them out whenever back to school season is over, and then they start getting ready for Halloween and Christmas. So like I said, $5.98 is a steal. Highly recommend it if you're thinking about getting into art, or you just want some extra pens and pencils. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. And don't forget to keep it over 9,000.